When creating a great number of seals, say for invitations, large mailings, craft projects, gifts, it's very handy to have many seals on hand so that you can almost have an assembly line. And when you use seals for prolonged use, they'll heat up, which means that the wax can stick to the seal face. So what we like to do here in the studio is to take a cooler pack, ice pack, like you would put in your lunch or cooler to keep your food cold, and just let your seals rest on this and cool down. And so here's an example with 3 envelopes and 3 different seals. You could have the exact same seal with your monogram, your wedding idea, really any of your ideas. So what I'm going to do is with my glue gun, which is really just a point and shoot method, I'm going to extrude enough wax that is roughly the diameter of my stamp. For these 3/4 inch seals I'm using, that's about half a trigger pull for the large standard size glue gun, and this is our jewel glue gun sealing wax. Now I'm just going to take the stamp, make sure it's oriented the way I want it to be, and I just wipe it on my lint-free cloth and set it down and emboss the wax, letting it set for a moment so it doesn't slide on the viscous wax. Okay, we have a rose, that's the orientation I would like. And lastly, a crown. Just wiping it clean, make sure there's no condensation and its orientation is nice. Just that little bit of time it took me to set my seals down on the wax allowed the wax to set just a small bit, which creates some body to push itself into the engraved design, which can make for a crisper impression, and just there's really no urgency to embossing the wax. And I find my maximum amount of seals that I want to use for a production line like this is 5. Any more than that, and I find that the wax sets too much by the time I get to the 5th one and it doesn't take an impression. So there we go. Easy peasy. I did 3 seals in less than a minute.